What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Pacino, aka Mr. World Class. You already know. I want to shout out to my drip community. Make sure that you like, subscribe, click that notification bell button so you get all the notifications anytime I drop. Because you know when I drop them bangers after bangers after bangers. Listen, guys, I know I haven't been as active, but I've been trying to come to you guys and show you what I've been working on, what I've been practicing, what I've been learning, how I've been using AI. So today, I just figured, why don't I go live and show you guys what I'm up to today? So right now I have some trades set up, guys. Let me show you my history for today. So today, I only had one losing trade. Actually, that shouldn't have even been a losing trade, but I closed it out a little bit, a different way, and it took me into 72 cents. But as you can see, these are all of my trades for the day, guys. $432.59 today profit. I'm in some other trades that I'm looking for the market to swing down. Let me show you. So right now I'm down $149.60 and another one 65. But the way that the market is moving is doing exactly what I wanted to do, guys, because I set traps in the market. I set traps. One thing I'm learning about trading is that it's not chess, it's checkers. I'm gonna say that again. It's not chess. It's not checkers, it's chess. So in trading, guys, you don't chase the money. What you do is set up traps for the money to come to you, right? And so in order to do that, you got to know how to leverage. You have to be okay with some drawdown, but you got to know how to set traps. Me personally, that's how in my mind, that's what I do. I don't know how other people trading styles are. But I look at what the market is doing. I watch what it's doing. I watch the patterns of what it's doing, so I can, use my best prediction of what I think the market is going to do. And when I believe that I know what the market is going to do, I then start to set traps. If you've ever played chess, then sometimes you'll move a pawn out there because when people see your pawn, they'll be like, oh, I'm finna take that pawn, but they don't know that you have another move set up for when they take that pawn that may allow you to checkmate them, right? So I set up traps in the market now that I found very, very helpful. What do I mean by that? Sometimes, guys, I'll put a buy in a place where technically I may not supposed to buy, right? But I know that the market moves, and I know that the market watches buys, they watch sales, they watch stop losses, they monitor where these things are so they can decide whether they want to buy or sell. So sometimes I'll put a buy or a sell in a place where I know it'll take me into a drawdown, but I'll set up traps along the way to where if the market ultimately does what I want to do, I'll come out on top. So when you look at this trade right here, guys, I'm in the hold $144, right? But as you can see, I have traps set up. See, so traps are working in my favor. My traps are actually working. So what will ultimately happen is if the $120 that you see me in the hole, my plan goes into effect, I actually come out of the drawdown and I close all my profits, right? So, I don't know what everybody else trading style is, but this is my trading style that I'm starting to come into to see works for me, right? I'm starting to come into this trading style that I see works for me. So I'm like, oh, okay, I can set up traps. Like right now, I can close out this $60 profit right now or this $20 profit. I kind of look at the market and see what it's doing. I don't technically want to close these out for some reason, though, because I like where the sales are. And I ultimately believe that the market is going to draw back down a lot more than that. So even though I'm in profit, I technically don't want to close these out. But however, I could set up more traps if I want to, because I see what the market is trying to do. It's trying to test the market to see if people want to get in now in a buy or get in now in the sell. But I've already positioned myself in the sell to where I'm really, really good in the sell where I'm at. So I'm just waiting for the market to decide what it wants to do, because I have sales already set up. I have traps set up everywhere. So if it keeps going down, it's going to help the ones that I have below it. If it goes up, it'll take me out into the negative. But it's okay, because I believe where I have my stuff set up that it won't really go too much higher than where I'm initially at. So I'm just going to kind of chill right now, see what the market really ultimately wants to do, because I know that the market wants to sell. I know for a fact it wants to sell, because of these strong green candles that I'm getting. It's just a matter of time before it wants to draw all the way down where I'm at to give me those profits that I'm looking for. So I could have made another 100 or so plus dollars, and I could have set up some more sell traps. But I think I have some pretty good reasonable sell traps. I'm looking for sell traps that's higher than where my sell traps are. So the market is going up. So if I look right here, I'm probably in the negative again, see? Which is fine by me because I want to set up some more sell traps. And then when I set up those sell traps, I'll start to close in on a few of them. So I'm just going to let the market do what it's going to do right now, guys. And this is one thing that I'm learning about trading is if you're, you have to be mentally prepared to go in the hole some. You have to be mentally prepared to go in the hole and know that what you view and your study on the charts will pay off. So I'm okay with not taking that money right there, guys, because I know that the market is going to turn around for the better. But what I'm doing right now, I'm just going to let it play out, and I'm going to let it try to push out, right? Because it's trying to fake people out right now. It goes down to be like, we finna go down, but no, we just want you to put in a, we want you to put in a sell so we can continue to go up right now. It's trying to fake some people out. But I already have some of my traps set up. Now, I don't have any buys yet for any traps to, if it starts to really start shooting, going up like crazy up for buys. I don't have any buys right now because I feel like the market is, I don't want to buy at all-time highs right now. And I feel like these are highs. Now, I'll put another, if it keeps going up, I'll put another sell in, so I can catch it on its way down. So you see, I have a sell here, a sell here, a sell here, a sell here. If it pushes up like beyond this point, I may put in another sell here so I can ride everything back down and then start to cherry pick and take away some profits. So that's what I'm doing right now. Also, on my computer, on my phone, as you can see, I have the M15, which is the 15-minute window that I'm looking at everything on. But on my computer, I'm looking at the 5-minute window to kind of determine what's going on over the last 5 minutes, what's going on over the last 15 minutes to make an educated decision on if I truly want to buy or sell. So that's what I'm doing right now. And I just figured I'd come and show you guys live. But in my history, you see my trades for the day, $432.59. If I look here, I'm down 470 something dollars, right? But these numbers are going to reverse. And that's why you have to have a little bit of skin in the game and monitor your numbers. So I'm going to set up another trap, right? I'm going to set up another trap. But when it swings around this time, I'll take some profits. But what I'm really ultimately looking for, the reason why I did not take profits, guys, because I really want to see it break beyond this point and start getting into this sell area here with these two sells. I want to see it. I want to see the market reverse here because those are going to be some really, really nice profits when the market moves. Because one thing I've seen and learned is what comes up must come down. I'm going to say it again. What goes up must come down. And if you're already down, the only choice you have is to come up. So being a good trader, you got to know the charts, and not only that, guys, you have to have a good mental mindset, because you have to be okay with going in a hole sometimes for the market to reverse, because sometimes this is where the money is made when you're doing that. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just kind of watching it. I see that the market is trying to push people out because they know that people have bought in. People bought in way down here and they like holding on without, closing out. So they're going to keep pushing the market up until they can get people that, who can't stand the pressure of how much money they're losing to get out. Right? Because there's some people that has a sale down here like me. I have a sale down here. So between here and here, I'm losing a lot of money, but it's okay because I'm on a $100,000 account, guys. So I have, being down $500 is nothing to me. So it's not going to pressure me to fold my cards in. Now, if you have a smaller account, and you put in a sell right here, and you like, dang, man, it's going to make you really want to get out. I would have probably did another sell right here. I could have did another sell at this peak here to catch some of that sell pressure that's going to come down. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sell orders right now, so I'm okay. I'm okay right now. A part of me does want to do it one more sell, maybe somewhere around here. Right up in here. I don't know if the market is going to keep going up or down, but based on this chart right here, it's showing a lot of resistance testing here. So, I mean, I have some sales here, which is really not that bad. I mean, obviously, if it comes and tests here, this can be a chance for it to really start to push down. So setting a sell right here wouldn't be bad as well too. And I'll just cherry pick away from them, guys, one by one as they start to fall. But the thing is, my sell that's up here will be my most profitable sell if it falls down here. That's why I didn't take profit here. I want the market to start coming down, and I want to start taking profits from here because these are my most riskiest sales. So I want the market to turn around, come down here, and once it start getting like, let's say down here, then I start taking profits from maybe this sale. If it comes down here, for sure, take a little baby profit right here. But I already have some take profits set up. But I may actually, yeah, I might change that. I got to sell and a take profit here. I got to sell and a take profit here. But I might remove this take profit. Well, I guess I could take profit. I could take a little baby profit. Because my sales up top here is going to yield me a really, really good return from here all the way down. And it's going to still be going. So I'll just probably modify. I'll probably modify this. Since I got a sale here, I may say, yeah, I might modify it. I might modify it. See, it's pushing up right now. Like crazy right now. So I may end up doing another sale to catch it on his way down. But it's definitely trying to push people out. I might do one somewhere up in here. Or right here or something. I'm almost ready to go into another sale. Honestly, because I know it's going to drop. It's trying to push people out as far as it can. I could really do one. I'm not going to even lie to you. Because it's trying to push people out. Right here. Between here and here, I could set up a trap. See how it's coming down? It's trying to flush people out. People who bought right here. I mean, people who maybe put a sell in right here or a sell right here. It really trying to push it up. Especially if you down here. Because see, I have a sell down here. And there's a lot of people that probably have a sell down here. So they're trying to push this thing up as high as it can to make people fold their hands in. That way they can take their profit and then the market going to come down. Once they pull their profits, the market is going to come down. So the way that I view this is right now we still got some people holding, right? We call them diamond hands, right? In crypto, we call it diamond hands, right? Right. So right now we got some diamond hands right now because we still got a lot of buying pressure going on right now. But I believe if it starts to get right here, we'll probably see, some people probably start folding their hands because if they're bought in down here, a sell order, they'll probably start feeling like, man, this thing can just keep going up and up and up. And, because we are seeing almost new highs because it broke past this candle right here. So it's a lot of pressure for people. So we'll see. I don't know how long I should make this video. Maybe I can. I've never used the fast forward feature. Maybe I need to use the fast forward. See the market coming down right here? It's trying to push people out. I mean, I could have did another sell order and already been in profit because I'm hitting these highs right here. But I'm waiting on that market correction. But if I got a way to fast forward this, maybe I can show you guys this without it being too long of a video. I'm going to see. Because I think this video, I don't know how long I've been recording right now. But we'll see if, I think, you know what? I might be able to speed it up. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm getting these long wicks, these long candles here, guys. See, it's right here at my sale. Right? It's right here at my sale. But I'm waiting for this market to draw down. I'm waiting for it to draw down. And I want to ride this bad boy. I want to ride this one right here. This sell order at the top. I want to ride this one as far as I can down. So when this one triggers, this second sell right here triggers and go down, I really want to keep these two, both of these. I'll sell this one though. This third sell order, I'm probably going to modify that because that's not enough. I mean, I got the stop loss right there. I could probably put the stop loss a little bit better than that. Oh, it's coming. Oh, it's coming. I might modify that one. I don't know which one that one is, though. 6835. Okay. Oh, it's coming, guys. The market is about to reverse because I can see these long wicks is trying to fake people out. It's coming. It's coming. Look, it's coming. Don't worry. Don't worry. One thing I'm learning is to have patience with your strategy. Now, I can tell you the software that I use, the AI that I use in the market setups that it has everything to do with how I'm developing my trading style. Because it's kind of like the AI is allowing me to copy and paste and trace, right? It's like getting a coloring book with the tracing. I'm tracing trades and seeing how they're winning, and I'm looking at how they're winning, and I'm like, man, why does that win like that, right? And the more I do it, the more the language is starting to make sense to me. See, I knew I could have did a sell trade. I could have got on here and did another sell, guys, at the top of that peak like I showed you. I really could have, you know. I really could have, but I got four strategies right here, which are not bad at all. See, there we go. That strong pushback like that. See, that was a fake. That was a really, really good fake that they had going on, right? Now we're going to start seeing some red candle activity right here. So now if I go here, guys, you'll see now I'm back in the profit, right? I'm back in the profit. We're going to continue to watch this chart to see if we can get some real pull down. I really don't want to cash these out yet, which I could have last time, but I just didn't want to, you know? I just don't want to. No, I just don't want to. Because I want the market to draw down more. I feel like I have enough traps. I mean, obviously, I could put in another sell order in between the trap to have a trap in between the trap. I could set up a trap in between the trap. Or I could put a buy in between the trap. So when it does a little baby fake and do a reversal, I can take a little bit of money on the reversal when they do a fake. Because they're going to do a pump fake. This candle right here has gone all the way into the green, all the way back down into the red. I'm looking at the 15-minute candle. So that means this is going to close out in 1 minute. So when it closes out in 1 minute, it's going to let us know, are we getting a red candle closeout or a green candle closeout? We're less than 60 seconds away, so it's looking like we may get some red candle closeout, which I'm absolutely fine with because that's going to suggest that we're going to get another, some more bearish activity, which is profits for me. So let's go, man. Listen, I don't want this to be too long because I got to get this up on YouTube for you guys, but I don't know because I'm recording it on my phone. Maybe I should have recorded it on my laptop for you guys. It should have been better on my laptop. It should have been better on my laptop. But we're going to see. We're less than 30 seconds away from a candle closing out. Let's see what we're looking like here. Okay. 1 minute. Now watch what's going to happen. And this candle going to close out. Watch this. Chart. Look at the chart. Look at the chart. Look at the chart. Chart. Candlesticks got me all in the matrix. I'm feeling like Neo before he was Neo. Gotta go learn a new language. Green is for bullish. What is a lot? How I calculate pips. Trade with the trend. Connected to AI. Now watch how this money flip. Mission impossible. Stacy Wallace got me feeling unstoppable. You see what the knowledge do. I read a book and found a mission was possible. So now I'm like hands free. Push a button, money all on my phone. I'm in the zone. Not feeling my vibe, then leave me alone. Cause this is the blueprint, strategic. I'm only gonna work with a mastermind. I switch up the paradigm, together the energy, somehow collapse time. We live in the future. Dimension we hopping, but stay in the present. You heard me, I said it. Just look to the stars, you know where we headed. I'm forever indebted. God gave me a vision and gave me his blessing to answer your question. I planted the seed to give you direction, but tonight is the night. We celebrate, wrist lit up like lime green. I rock with the eye vip. I stand on the pillars, I'm feeling like Liao Ming. Let's go. Guys, we gonna make this money, man. Look at that bearish action. I should have put another sell up there because that would have been a really, really good one. That would allow me to maybe take profits on this third one, which is the second one, which would have been the third one. But I'm going to have patience right now, as you can see. We're going to have some patience right now, as you can see. We're going to have some patience. Remember, right now I'm at $432.59 for the day, but we finna have some patience with this thing. We gonna have some patience with this thing. And guess what? I got my sales set up. But if this thing goes all the way back down again, I'm going to set up some buys. I'm going to ride it back up. See, I don't really want to buy in here because with the way the market is moving, it's kind of taking its time a little bit. I think it's kind of cruising a little bit. It's just kind of, cruising. So because it's cruising, I'm okay. I'm just like, okay, let me just see what it ultimately wants to do. It's probably going to ricochet, do a little up, a little bit of down action. Let's see what it really, really wants to do, though. And once again, I don't want to take profits from this first one because it's so much more money to get on this first one because I got a really good position in the sale, right? I got a really good position in that sale. So that's why I don't want to take profits from it right now. I really just don't want to. I want the market to move down even more because I know the market going to move down because it pushed up really high. And I know some people bought in thinking, man, it's finna break a new high. So now they're down. They're down right now. They're down right now. I'm down right now, but the market is moving in my favor overall on what I expect the market to do, which is pull down. It's taking its time, but yeah. But I don't want to make this video too long, guys. But I don't want to cut y'all short because I don't know y'all probably thinking, man, I want to see everything. I want to see if you gonna win or lose. I know how people are when you watching, when you're watching YouTube. You like, man, don't just show us when you're up, show us when you're down. So I'm down. I'm actually down. Look, but I got winning trades right now, but I'm technically down, but I'm up for the day, right? I'm just being transparent. I'm showing y'all what it is. You see this, right? I'm looking for that breakout. I'm looking for that red candle to just shoot down like that. See how it pushed down? Like it gave me a little bump. Like it that's what I'm looking for because that's suggesting now the people who bought at the highs, they're trying to flush them out now. I feel like the sellers are now saying we're going to push this thing down now to get the buyers out. That's why I don't have any buys in there. I don't have any buys in there. Because I'm like, I don't want to buy it high. So what I'm doing is I am taking the mentality that I have in crypto and then taking what I'm learning in trading and putting them together. See, in crypto, we know the money is made when people are afraid. People always want to buy during the bull run. When they see it going up is when they want to buy. They never want to buy when the market is in the negative, in the hole. But the key is if you buy it in the hole, you're going to get the most profits when it come out of the hole. So I kind of, start developing that mindset like, okay, I may go in the hole some, but I'm going to have the best position for when it goes and do what I want it to do. So I'm gonna just let it do what it's gonna do for a while. I'm not gonna too much worried about it, guys. I'm gonna just let it chill. It's 11:35 a.m. right now. So I guess I'll just chill, man. I don't want to make this video too long, so I don't know. Do y'all want me to do a continuation of this thing or just kind of come back and show you the results? I mean, I could do that. I don't want this video to be like, I don't know how long this video is right now, but I know it's longer than 15-20 minutes possibly. So, but I just wanted to come and give y'all some type of content and show you a little bit more, because I've been doing this every day, but I'm so busy trading, guys. I hadn't really got to that point where I'm like really comfortable trading live, you know, or like trying to do YouTube while I'm trading, because I really got to focus on getting my orders in. But I just decided to do it now because I feel like I made enough money for the day concentrating. And then I feel like I have my other orders sitting here and I'm okay with what I have right now. I'm okay with my orders, so I'm not thinking like I need to put in some extra orders. I'm like, no, just let everything play out the way it's going to play out. So I figured I'd come in and shine some light on this for you guys. But I'm up $400+ today. I think these trades are going to go in my favor. I do think we're going to see a strong push down in my sales. How long would that take to happen? I don't know, guys. It could be another hour. It could be 2 hours. I don't know. But I do have those sales set in place to capitalize off of it as well, too. If the market does anything, like if it gets somewhere like, let's say, up in here, and it starts doing some weird stuff up in here, then I'll start setting up traps in the middle. I'll find a range, and I'll start setting up traps right here. That way I'll make enough money in here to compensate for anything that's happening up here or down here, because I'll start eating in the range. I'll start cherry picking in the range. So, and that's how I'll do it. I'll start setting up buys. If it starts moving, like going up and down up in here, I may start cherry picking inside of there, setting up traps. But for right now, because the market not really deciding, it's kind of chilling, I'm gonna let it do what it's gonna do. But if you guys want, oh, let me tell you November, what's coming up in November. You may be watching this in November. I don't know when you're going to be watching this, but in November, guys, we have a push button coming, where instead of you having to come to the market here and then go to, like, set up your trades. You know, when you go and set up a trade, you go to the chart, you hit trade, you set up a trade. You get signals, guys. We have signals. I can show you. So we have signals here that come to you that you can simply copy and paste every day based on the market. This is the Inimus, which is Pro Traders on Wall Street. And this is Monero, which is the AI. And the AI sends you, oh, let me go here, Monero. The AI sends you trades as well, too. And you can simply copy and paste. And that's what I have been doing, guys. But I'm getting better, right? Because I'm studying my chart. I'm studying my Monero. And because I'm getting better, it's giving me confidence to look at a trade and see if I see money in the market. You know, and that's what I'm doing here. So I saw money in the market, but it gave me the signal on this pair. So I went to this pair, made some money off of it. And yeah, we're going to keep rocking and rolling. So I'm not going to hold you guys. Obviously, it's going to take a minute, man, for this thing to do ultimately what I want it to do. But as you can see, just check out here. I'm still in the profit on these other two. Need to get some more drawdown as it works its way all the way down, which it will. It's going to crack down there. It's going to get down there. I'm just going to sit here patiently, probably, and look at my charts here. Grab me something to eat, man. Keep you guys up to date. But if you want the AI to get the signals, if you want to start like I started, guys, the information will be below in the description. There'll be a couple packs there that you'll see. If you're international, you'll see like the Elite Pro for like $235 or whatever it is. You don't need that pack. You can just get the $149 if you want to. And then you'll also, in the description, you'll see my messenger group, which is the one I'm most active in. So I encourage you to go into my Facebook Messenger, Trade Vote Info. If you don't have that, you can go on my Telegram. But if you go on my Telegram, please DM me directly, because I'm not there much, so I may not know that you joined. let me know. Or if you haven't joined, but you want to just get connected to me to kind of hold your hand, walk you through, you can definitely DM me either on Facebook or Telegram, and I'll get you plugged in. I do work with the vice president of the company. He's the godfather of my daughter. So I am connected in this deal, guys. I do know people in this deal, but I am definitely learning the art of trading and helping other people. And guess what? For my influencers, if any of my influencers are watching this, my social media influencers or my YouTubers that like to share opportunities, there is a very, very lucrative compensation plan for when you share and you build a team. So I mean, I've seen the comp plan go all the way to $1 million a month. So if you know you have influence, I can talk to you more about that as well too. If you don't know anybody, have no influence, don't worry about it. I'll show you how to make money just like this without even talking to anybody. So that's my time. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And like I always say, we won't see you at the top. We'll see you over the top because you're built for greatness. Let's go.